Beauty and the Beast. A rich merchant lived with his 3 daughters. One day, the merchant said, "I'm off to the market. What should I bring for each of you?" The 2 eldest daughters asked for dresses and jewels. The youngest one, Beauty, asked just for a rose. On his way back home, the merchant was caught in a huge snowstorm. Looking for shelter, he reached a castle. He went inside and seeing no one, he decided to spend the night there. The next morning, the merchant saw a bush with beautiful red roses. He plucked a rose for Beauty. Suddenly, a horrible-looking beast, dressed in royal clothes, appeared from behind the bush. The beast said, "You shall be killed for stealing." The merchant was scared and asked for forgiveness. He said, "This flower is for my youngest daughter, Beauty." The beast said that he would set him free if he promised to send Beauty to stay with him. The merchant went home and sorrowfully told his daughter the whole story. Beauty agreed to stay with the beast. The next day, the merchant took Beauty to the castle. The beast was happy and let the merchant go. From then on, Beauty lived with the beast in the castle. At first, she was frightened of the beast, but she gradually realized that he treated her with a lot of kindness. Every morning, her favorite dishes were served. Every night, the beast asked her, "Will you marry me?" Beauty refused every time. Day after day, Beauty felt homesick. The beast gave her a magic mirror in which she could see her father and sisters. One day, she looked through the magic mirror and saw that her father was ill. She asked the beast to let her go home. The beast said, "You can go, but you have to promise that you will return to the castle after 1 week." Beauty agreed. The beast gave her a ring and told her to put it on her finger, and she would be transported to her home. After a week, she was to do the same thing to return to the castle. So Beauty went to visit her sick father. She was delighted to be with her family. The week passed and she completely forgot what the beast had said. One night, she woke up from a terrible nightmare. She saw the beast calling out her name and begging her to return. Immediately, she put on her ring and was back in the castle. Beauty heard a groaning sound from the garden. She ran there and saw the beast lying near a big fountain. She hugged him tightly and said, "I love you so much." Beauty sat down near the beast and tears started flowing down her cheeks. As her tears fell on his body, he turned into a handsome young prince. The beast said that he was a prince who had been turned into a beast by a witch. Only true love could put an end to that spell. They soon got married and lived happily ever after.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.